Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a grid tie inverter. First, understand that a grid tie inverter is a crucial device in a solar power system, converting direct current from your solar panels into usable alternating current for your home. It also synchronizes with the utility grid. Always ensure all power sources are disconnected before beginning any work to prevent electrical hazards. Setting up your system involves connecting the solar panels to the inverter's direct current input. Next, the inverter's alternating current output must be wired into your home's main electrical service panel. This connection allows the generated power to flow into your home and potentially back to the grid. Always double-check all connections and consult an electrician if unsure. Once installed, your grid tie inverter operates automatically, converting direct current from your panels into alternating current. It constantly monitors the utility grid, ensuring its output matches the grid's voltage and frequency, typically 60 Hz in North America. You can often monitor your system's performance through a built-in display or a dedicated mobile application, providing valuable insights into your energy generation. Using a grid tie inverter offers significant benefits, including lower electricity bills and the potential to earn credits through net metering by sending excess power back to the grid. For maintenance, regularly check all connections for tightness and ensure the inverter's vents are clear for proper cooling. A well-maintained system can provide reliable, clean energy for 20 years or more.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.